stop what you're doing because what you eat tonight could either protect your brain or quietly accelerate its decline. Most people think memory loss happens slowly over years, but what they don't realize is this. Every single night, your brain is either repairing itself or falling behind. And a few simple fruits, eaten at the right time, can activate powerful processes that help restore brain cells and strengthen memory while you sleep. And the has-honed fruit on this list is something most people either ignore or use completely wrong. My name is Dr. William Li. I'm a physician, researcher, and author who has spent over 25 years studying how food activates the body's natural defense systems, including the brain. I've collaborated with researchers from Harvard, worked alongside global health institutions, and studied how nutrition impacts neuroprotection, inflammation, and memory function. And what we now understand is this. Your brain is not fixed. It's constantly adapting, rebuilding, repairing, especially at night. Research suggests that up to 40% of cognitive decline may be influenced by lifestyle, including diet, not medication, not complex treatments, simple, daily choices. And one of the most overlooked factors is what you eat before sleep. Because while you rest, your brain is performing one of the most important tasks it ever does, repairing itself. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful fruits ranked from 3 to 1. Each one activates a different brain repair pathway, but the has-honed fruit is where everything comes together. And if you miss it, you're missing one of the simplest ways to support your memory naturally. So don't skip ahead. Because this isn't about eating more, it's about eating smarter. Before we begin, comment your age below, because after 50, these small habits become increasingly important. And after 60, they become essential. This one surprises people. Kiwi isn't just a fruit, it's a sleep activator. A study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that people who consumed kiwi before bed experienced improved sleep onset and quality. Now here's why that matters. Because your brain doesn't repair itself during the day. It repairs itself during deep sleep. Think of your brain like a workspace. All day, it collects information, stress, and waste. At night, it cleans, organizes, and resets. This cleaning process, known as the glymphatic system, is essential for removing toxins linked to cognitive decline, and better sleep equals better cleaning. Patient story. A 6-year-old patient struggling with poor sleep and brain fog. We introduced kiwi before bedtime. Within weeks, his sleep improved, and his mental clarity followed. Practical steps. Eat 1-2 kiwis about an hour before bed. Avoid combining with heavy meals. Synergy tip. Combine kiwi with a consistent sleep schedule, and you amplify deep sleep cycles, where real brain repair happens. Now this is where science gets really interesting. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, compounds that protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Research from Tufts University found that regular blueberry consumption is linked to improved memory and delayed cognitive aging. But here's the key insight. At night, your brain is especially vulnerable to oxidative damage. Anthocyanins act like a shield. Analogy. Imagine your brain cells as delicate wires. Oxidative stress slowly damages them over time. Blueberries help protect those wires, so signals stay strong. Patient example. A 72-year-old woman experiencing forgetfulness. We added a small portion of blueberries in the evening. Over time, her recall improved, and her confidence returned. Practical steps. Eat a small handful in the evening. Choose fresh or frozen without added sugar. Synergy tip. Combine blueberries with proper hydration to enhance nutrient delivery to brain cells. If this is helping you understand your brain in a new way, take a second to like the video and subscribe. Because most people only think about memory after they start losing it. Now, here's the one that changes everything. And almost nobody uses it correctly. tart cherries, not regular cherries, not sugary versions, but tart cherries in their natural form. Here's why. Tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. But melatonin doesn't just help you sleep. It helps your brain enter the phase where memory consolidation and cellular repair occur. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition showed that tart cherry consumption improved sleep duration and quality. But here's what most people miss. Timing. Drink it too late, and it can disrupt digestion. Drink it correctly, and it enhances repair. Analogy. Think of melatonin like a signal. It tells your brain, now it's time to repair. If that signal is weak, repair is incomplete. If it's strong, repair happens efficiently. Patient story. A 70-year-old patient. Poor sleep, declining memory. We introduced tart cherry juice in the early evening. Within months, his sleep deepened and his mental sharpness improved. Why most people get it wrong. They consume sugary versions. They drink too much. They use it at the wrong time. And instead of helping, it disrupts the process. Practical steps. Consume a small amount, 1-2 hours before bed. Choose unsweetened tart cherry products. Avoid excessive portions made. Synergy tip. Combine tart cherries with earlier meal timing and good sleep hygiene, and your brain enters deep repair mode overnight. Let's bring this together. Your brain is not passively aging. It's actively responding to what you do every day, and especially what you do at night. Remember these three. Kiwi for sleep and brain detox. Blueberries for memory protection. Tart cherries for deep repair activation. These are not complicated solutions. They're simple, consistent habits. And here's the most important part. It's not too late. Your brain can adapt. It can repair. It can improve. Starting tonight. If this video helped you understand your brain differently, subscribe for more evidence-based insights. Because the more you understand your body, the better you can protect it.